Welcome to 2917 Merritt Mill Road in Salisbury. Besides a perfectly placed home, we have a great floor plan here as well. Notice the spacious living room, open concept, and that leads over to the huge kitchen with plenty of prep and counter space. Here we have a pantry and the first bedroom. Bedroom number 2. Large laundry room with additional space for exercise area or possibly an in-home office. Recently remodeled, full bath. With ceramic surround and ceramic flooring. This home is perfectly located, close to Route 50, downtown Salisbury, shopping and restaurants on the north side. Call my cell to schedule your showing before it's too late.